So hi, my name is Bryan Bird. I'm the Regional President for the Americas with Universal Robots. And what we're demonstrating here today is some new capability that we're getting ready to launch in our robots, which is coordinated external access control. We're specifically launching this at Fabtech 2023 because this capability is interesting to a lot of our end users and partners in the welding market. Specifically, in this example, what we're performing is coordinated motion between the part moving and the robot moving. The robot's holding a simulated torch. The part is being turned on a rotary axis, and this allows us to coordinate the motion of these two separate systems to perform more complex operations in welding and metal fabrication. So we're able to take a part that would normally require an operator to remove it from the table and refixture it to complete this weld. Now we can actually do this in a single pass by moving both the part and the robot at the same time. And this is a capability that a lot of our customers are asking for. Cobot welders have really been embraced in the metal fabrication market. And what customers now are looking to do is take that next leap in capability in those new applications that they can't solve today. So this is a very simple demonstration. What we're working towards is a minimum of at least 2 axes of coordinated capability with our robot controller, managing all of this motion. And so what is common here, with a single axis, we may also see a rotary tilt and rotate type of arrangement to, again, do those larger, more complex operations.